I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to show you a mounting profile which you may want to specify when ordering your bespoke made-to-measure roller blind from the Home of Interiors. So the mounting profile is just a continuous headrail to house your roller blind. Standard brackets on roller blinds are fitted at the ends of the blinds, so if access is difficult or if those fixing points have been used before and you want to fix the blind somewhere else, you may wish to consider a mounting profile. Because the mounting profile offers versatility in the fixing. You can position the brackets anywhere along the mounting profile to suit your requirements, and you can add extra brackets if you feel it's required. They can be top or face fix, depending again on your situation and what's most convenient for you. If you have any questions though or need any advice, please do get in touch. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or please call us on 01590 615 775 and a member of the team would be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you for watching.